After a challenging year of sales declines and a failed potential merger with Honda, Nissan wants to make it clear that it's not going anywhere. And based on the most recent announcements from the Japanese automaker, it appears Nissan is pinning its comeback hopes on an array of new and redesigned models, all due to hit the market by 2027. There are 10, in fact, and the company says that these new entries will span both the Nissan brand and its higher-end counterpart, Infiniti. One notable remake that's generating a lot of attention is the Nissan Leaf, a revision that takes one of the first EVs to hit the market way back in 2009 and give it a modern-day twist. While Nissan revealed last year that it would be discontinuing the Leaf, it now says the model that was once a small hatchback will return as a compact SUV. With updated charging technology, moonroof, 19-inch wheels, and a sleek exterior, Kelley Blue Book says the revision might be enough to get the Leaf firmly back into the EV conversation. Nissan offers fewer details on some of its other model changes, but we do know that it plans to unveil a fourth generation of the best-selling Rogue SUV, this time with a plug-in hybrid option. A new, larger Sentra is also in the works, as is a refreshed Pathfinder, and Car and Driver even speculates we could see an all-electric Altima. As for Infiniti, the word on the street is that the brand will release a two-row fastback version of the QX60, the QX65, as well as its own version of an adventure-focused electric SUV that Nissan has in the works for 2027. Last but not least, there will be sports cars. Incoming Nissan CEO Ivan Espinosa says that they're still important to the Nissan brand, and Car and Driver reports that the Z model is part of the plan, as is a halo vehicle like the GTR. One other update on Nissan that bears mention, though not product-related, is the status of those aforementioned merger talks with Honda. Many reports over the past month pronounced any prospective deals dead, but Espinosa suggests observers hold up. In reality, Nissan is said to be very open to partnerships, and Espinosa confirmed that the company is still talking to Honda. Notably, the Financial Times reported in February that Honda would come back to the table potentially on the condition that now outgoing CEO Makoto Uchida would resign, a wish that will be fully realized on April 1st when Espinosa takes the helm. I'm Anna Wells, this is Manufacturing Now.